Are you someone who keeps attracting negative clients? Are you confused why your business isn't growing? Well, in the next few minutes, I'd like to tell you about a 5-week program that I have coming up called The Law of Attraction for Women Entrepreneurs. The program is called Business Abundance, and it's on the Google Hangouts. My name is Dana Smithers. I'm a Law of Attraction certified trainer and business coach. And over the last 12 years, I've had 3 small businesses, and I have successfully grown them to 6-figure incomes. I've created a business that I like, that works for me. I work the hours that I want, and I'm not so burned out as I used to be before I started really using the tools that I'm going to teach in the 5-part program. So I'll just tell you a little bit about the law of attraction. I'm sure you've heard about it, and a definition that I like to use for it is, I attract to my life whatever I give my attention, energy, or focus to, whether wanted or unwanted. And another way to say that is just, this may be something that you hear on a regular basis as well, is that like attracts like. So if you keep attracting negative clients, there's something in what we call your vibrational bubble that isn't working for you. And with the tools that I can teach you with this program, you're going to learn why you want to eliminate words like this. You might not think that these words are very powerful, but I'm going to share with you why they are and why you want to start eliminating them. But one of the basics of the law of attraction, the premise that it works on, is that everything starts with your words, right? So your words lead to your thoughts, and those thoughts are what give you a vibe, a vibration, or a feeling. And it's that feeling that actually gets you the results that you do. So if you're thinking about a client that you don't really like, but you're going to take them on anyway, because they're a paying client and you're kind of feeling a bit desperate. Well, I want to change all of that for you. And the law of attraction can do that by helping you focus on understanding how this relationship works. So in the program, it's a 5-week program. And the first week, I'm going to actually teach you a little bit more, well, actually a lot more, about what the law of attraction really is. So you're going to understand it, you're going to understand how it works in your life, and how you keep attracting what you keep attracting. If you're attracting really great stuff, that's wonderful. But if you're not, there's a way to change that, and there's a way to deliberately change that. And that is going to take us into, I'm going to teach you the 3-step formula for deliberate attraction. So you're going to get crystal clear on what you want. You're going to learn how to raise your vibration. And you're going to learn the 3rd step, which is allowing that to come into your life. Now, most people misunderstand that, and I'm going to clear that up for you. And there I have it. Number 3 is allow. Actually, I've made it a separate program because it is probably the most misunderstood. It's certainly something that I think the program, The Secret, if you watch that or read the books, I think they're missing out on this. So I'm going to teach you what that is. And then in week 4, we're going to have interviews of successful women entrepreneurs who've used the law of attraction and who've really changed their life for the better. And week 5 is really important because it's a check-in, looking at how much abundance you've brought into your life. And along with it, you are going to receive a 30-page workbook. And in this workbook, you're going to find all your assignments. So, for example, I'll just show you how I've set this out, that you'll be getting graphics like this, so you'll learn how to use the equation. You're really going to have it sink in, because this isn't just something that you're going to put away and never use again. So at the end of each week, you've got an assignment to do. So that assignment is actually going to keep you in the energy of the law of attraction, which is absolutely what we want to have happen here. And then there'll be weeks that we're going to spend on, I'll be talking to you about what some of these things are. I'll be asking also for your input. And this little booklet, now, even though this program is called Business Abundance and it's for women entrepreneurs, I use the tools that I'm going to teach you in this program all the time. I'm not just saying this is something that you can do. It's not airy-fairy. It's very, very concrete. I use the tools all the time to get the results that I want. One of the favorite things that I like to teach is this one. It is called, let's put it right up there, the reset vibe. So this is when maybe you're having one of those days and nothing is going the way you want and you find yourself kind of spiraling down. Well, in the law of attraction world, we say reset your vibe, and I actually wear this pin, and if I don't have it pinned on, I just do that to myself because I go there sometimes. I'm a business woman. There are days when something, a challenge, although I like to call challenges opportunities because it's a more positive word to use, but when those opportunities come my way, you know, I just have to settle down. I'm also going to teach you how to use EFT. If you're not familiar with that, it's also called tapping, and we're going to do a little bit of that, to take away some of these limiting beliefs that you have, because you have the power to create any type of business that you want. And one of the things I'm finding with a lot of women that I'm coaching right now is that they're not totally doing what they want to be doing. In other words, some of them have had a certain type of business model for a while, but it's no longer working. It's just like myself. I completely rebranded, refocused, and changed my business to meet me at where I'm at this stage of my life. So if you're finding yourself, you're tired, you're cranky about your business, you're not attracting the right clients, maybe it's just time to have some tools that you can use that will actually really move you forward and get you thinking about every single word. Whether you say it or not, it has a vibration, and that vibration is either positive or negative. So by the time you finish the 5 weeks, you're going to be very, very mindful. That's what my past students have told me, that that's the biggest thing, is that reset vibe button. So what do I want? And you can do it like that. You can change your energy immediately. So I would love it if you could join me. And it will all be done on the wonderful Google Hangouts, which you are watching right now. So it's my 5-part Law of Attraction Business Abundance series. Whoops, trying to get that straight. Be all in Google, so you can check it out at danasmithers.com, Law of Attraction. And the next program that I have coming up is going to be very soon, so make sure you check it out. It'll be for 5 weeks. It'll be at a certain time in the morning, and we'll keep to that time, and then you'll be giving your assignments during the week. So I hope that you can join me. So just go to my website, danasmithers.com/law-of-attraction to know when the next Law of Attraction program is. So there's one coming soon, and the beauty of Google Hangouts is you can watch these anywhere in the world. You can look at these programs because they're recorded into a private community where we're the only people that are in that community. We can have discussions, conversations, all sorts of things like that. So I look forward to really helping you on your journey with some tools that are really concrete. They're going to be very solid, and you will be able to deliberately attract anything that you want in your life. So please come and join me if this program is right for you. Love to have you. danasmithers.com/law-of-attraction. Bye for now.